I'm going to show you how to make chewy, soft, delicious sweet sugar cookie bars. Super easy to make. Let's make them. You want to start off by mixing 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter. Get that nice and smooth, and then add 1.5 cups of sugar, some vanilla extract. You can use vanilla bean paste for a more intense flavor, 3 eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, and cornstarch. Mix it well until it forms a dough. It should be perfect, not too sticky. Add about 1/4 cup of sprinkles. That's optional, but I like to add it. Line a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper. If you roll up the parchment paper like this, it makes it easier to manage. Press the cookie dough into the baking dish, and you want to bake it at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Let the cookie cool completely. While the cookie cools, I made some frosting, which is just 1 stick of unsalted softened butter, 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of whole milk. You want it to be nice and fluffy. I added a few drops of green food coloring for the holidays. You can do pink or just leave it white. I frosted the entire thing and sliced it into 15 squares. You can top them off with sprinkles. That's optional. I really hope you enjoy these and make sure to follow me for more.